How to customize your consent message that your visitors will see when they land on your website for the first time. I'm Christian Stoichescu from Pixel Your Site, and this is our plugin, Consent Magic. It's a plugin that helps you manage consent. It works really well with Pixel Your Site, but also with other tracking plugins, other scripts, and basically anything that you have on your website can be configured to work with Consent Magic. Now this is the plugin. These are the main rules, the ones that are available automatically. You can create your own rule. Basically, a rule will set a particular type of consent for visitors coming from a country, a region, and so on. In this case, I will add what we call the GDPR rule. This is a rule targeting people from EU, so countries that implement GDPR, this rule. And I have various options. Sticky, I have a dedicated video on this channel that I encourage you to see, including about Smart Sticky and how it can help. But the thing that I'm interested right now is this section where you can configure the buttons that are visible on the pop-up with the consent message. In my setup right now, I have a deny all button. I hide the close button. You want to hide the close button for GDPR because if a user simply closes that message, they practically deny all scripts without realizing maybe that they're doing this. So you won't be able to track them, you won't be able to run a lot of things. So it's best to actually force people to interact with the consent message and express their consent. Say yes or no is their choice, but they should say something. So hide the close button for GDPR. You want it there for other rules because tracking is enabled for other rules, but for GDPR, no, you don't want it. And now, custom button. This is a new feature that I want to explain. It's basically similar to iPhone 15 Pro that has a custom button here. You can add functionalities. Mine is not an iPhone 15, it's old, so it doesn't have it, but Consent Magic has this feature. Enable it, and then you can select which categories will be turned on when this button is clicked. The text is minimum recommended. You can change the text for the rule from here, custom text, or from the global text settings. We have a link right here. So and this text is translated in I think 28 languages already. You can also add your own translation. So let's say I want to have analytics on embedded videos on Google Fonts, but not marketing, because for marketing I want a more direct consent. Let's say this is my strategy. I want to disable the deny all button and keep the close button hidden. Now save. And I will show you how the new setup looks like. Okay, now more options will open the pop-up with all the categories that I can turn on and off. Minimum recommended, the new button, will enable just those categories that I selected, and allow all will enable everything. Let's click on the minimum recommended, and now embedded video will be visible because I just said yes, but Meta Pixel doesn't work. Everything related to tracking and marketing doesn't work because that button didn't enable them. I can call the options pop up from here, and you can see that marketing is off. Now if I click allow all, everything will start to work. That's the idea. So the idea is to have the option to have not only allow all or deny all, but a button with the minimum recommended scripts and the categories that will work if the user wants to click that shortcut. So that's the thing. If you want it, make sure you update Consent Magic to its latest version, and you will have this new option. And we have it for all the rules, all the consent types, um, except just inform, because just inform doesn't have any option to block anything. It's just a message explaining what scripts are used and everything. That's it. I'm Christian Stoicescu from Pixel site. Please share this video, like, and subscribe.